Okay guys, this is going to be campfire cookery for a Christmas dinner, which is roast turkey, sausage and bacon rolls, stuffing, sage and onion. I've got turkey breasts in these two trays here. I've got sausage and bacon wrapped around the sausages in there. I've got sage and onion stuffing. I made it into a log so I can roast the outside of it and make it crispy. That's that. Vegetables, we have potatoes, we might have mashed potatoes and broccoli and cauliflower, so that'll roast down for about an hour. I'm going to build the fire back up and let the turkey cook. Okay, so my fire's built up, my turkey and that's inside there, stuffing's at the side, turkey's in the centre. Potatoes on the side here. The broccoli and cauliflower won't take a second once it's all sorted. Here we have our Christmas dinner table. Christmas dinner's almost ready. Okay, so there's our turkey breast and mashed potatoes, gravy, sausage and all that. I'll show you in a second. Excellent for the woodland. There is our turkey, broccoli, cauliflower, sausage and bacon rolls, stuffing, mashed potatoes and gravy. For two. Epic.